Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to install DriverPack for Windows 11. If you want to install DriverPack on your Windows 11 PC, you can download the required version directly from the official DriverPack website. Then run the downloaded file to start the driver setup process. First, open any web browser you have on your Windows 11 PC and go to driverpack.io. On the website, you'll see the Install All Required Drivers button. Click on it. And the DriverPack file will now start downloading. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to start it. DriverPack will now begin operating and start the driver installation process on your system. This process may take some time, so you can continue with your other work while it completes. And that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.